Alright, so this is Lokt System, and what we have here is an assembly using 3 wall panels and 2 of the locks. We have the industrial wall panel here. That's with the big cross beam with the rivets in the wall. We go from that one into the brick wall face with the bunker door. And then we've got the brick wall with the pipe. And what you're looking at here is an assembly utilizing the 90-degree lock and the 180-degree lock that allow the wall panels to each be connected together in a configuration that just expands the space that you're working with. So we could take this and add, let's see if Snake Eyes wants to stand up for me, a 6-inch tall action figure there, and another 6-inch tall action figure. And we'll make Snake Eyes and Storm Shadow have a battle. And Storm Shadow apparently wins. So there you have it, though. That's the demonstration of the individual locks, the 90-degree lock, and the 180-degree lock.